See children, I have a surprise for you. Ma'am has made blend kit for all of you. You want to learn blend sound? You know what is blend? Let me tell you. Blend is mixing of two sounds. One day, letter L comes to me. He said, Ma'am, I'm alone. I don't have any friend. So I said, okay letter L, I'm going to give you a friend. I give him l, they mix together and they have become blur. Then I gave him C, k, sound is k, l, kl. Then I gave him g, l, gl. Then I gave him f, l, fl. And then I gave him p, l, bl. Then I gave him s, l, sl. So they have become blur, gl, gl, fl, pl, sl. And they make many more friends. So let me enrich your vocabulary. Will you read with me? Blur says black. Blur says blue. Blur says blocks. Think many more words? Right, you can do it. Cl says clay. Cl says clown. Cl says clap. Let us clap. Gl says glass. Gl says glow. Gl says glad. I'm glad to meet you. Fl says fly. Fl says flow. Fl says flower. Think many more words. I know you can do it. Pl says plan. Pl says play. Pl says plane. Let us go in a plane. Sl says slide. I know you love to go in a slide. Sl says slip. Sl says sleep. So now I have an activity for all of you. I have few spoons. All the L blend words are written on it. Can you read it? Slide, slide. S-L-I-D-E, slide. So we will keep it here. Class, class. Can you read it? Yes, class. We'll keep it here. Float, floor. Which blend is here? Floor, right. We'll keep it here. Clown, clown. Yes. I will keep it here. And pluck, pluck. Right. We should not pluck flowers. Right. Pluck. This is pluck sound and we'll keep it here. Black, black. Right. So we will keep it here. So clap for the activity and clap for you. Now the task for you is you have to think many more words with these blend sounds and post me in the comment section. Keep smiling, keep learning. Bye bye.